Hello everyone. So today we're going to discuss the esophagus, that is also called the food pipe of our digestive system, by which we passes our food in the form of bolus into the stomach. So the dimension of esophagus are, it's basically a muscular tube that is flattened in structure, and it's 25 centimeter long. Okay, so esophagus is 25 centimeter long, starts from the lower end of the pharynx up to the uh, cardiac end of the stomach. Okay, so it is 25 centimeter long, starts at the lower end of pharynx and ends at the cardiac end of the stomach. It's basically a muscular tube that passes our food into the stomach by rhythmic contractions of the muscles. Rhythmic contraction of the smooth muscles is also known as peristaltic movement, which is also known as peristaltic movements. Okay, then we're going to see the other anatomical aspects. So as we seen, 25 centimeter long muscular tube and flattened anteroposteriorly. Esophagus remains collapsed until the food passes through it. Okay, then lower border of cricoid cartilage starts at the lower border of the cricoid cartilage, that is cartilage at the thyroid gland, then continues with the lower border of the pharynx and continues with the lower border of the pharynx. It ends at the opening of the stomach at the level of 11th thoracic vertebra, that is T11. So starts at the lower border of cricoid cartilage and ends at the level of T11, that is the cardiac end of the stomach. Okay, then esophagus has some curvatures in its structure. So two curvatures are side to side curvature, both are at the left side. That's because of the underlying structures of it. One is at the neck level and other is at the lower end, that is where it pairs the diaphragm. Okay, then anteroposterior curvature, that is cervicothoracic spine. Due to the spine, it have the some anterior and posterior curvatures. Okay, so these are the some anatomical aspects. Also, esophagus have some constriction, which we're going to see in the next video. Okay, thank you.